Take all the items out of the box. Remove all accessories from the box: pedals, charger, install tools, screws, manual, and front fender. Next, install the handlebar and make sure to tighten all the screws securely. Remove the protective covers and screws from the front fork. Then install the front wheel and tighten the screws. Install the pedals, making sure to distinguish between left and right, and tighten them securely. Next, install the front fender and secure it in place. Install the front light bracket, then attach and secure the front light. Now, connect the headlight wire securely. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your riding.